closing it all down.
There's a massive fire. We're evacuating all the homes in the area. You're gonna have to turn around.
Okay.
There's a massive wildland fire that's turned into a structure fire. We're evacuating the area. You're gonna have to turn around.
Okay, I gotta figure out how to do it.
Yeah. There's a massive wildland fire that's spreading rapidly. We're evacuating the area. We're gonna have to turn around. It's a wildland fire, and this is in the middle of fire season, so we don't want this spreading.